Hi everybody. Unleashing your inner drive refers to tapping into the deep well of motivation, determination, and passion that lies within you. It is about harnessing your inner strength and energy to pursue your goals, dreams, and aspirations with unwavering enthusiasm. When you unleash your inner drive, you feel a strong sense of purpose and commitment to take action and achieve what you truly desire. Here are some key aspects which I will tell you of unleashing your inner drive. Number one, clarity of purpose. Knowing what you want and having a clear vision of your goals is essential to igniting your inner drive. When you have a purpose that resonates with you, with your values and passions, to it becomes a powerful drive force. Number two, self motivation. Inner drive comes from within. It's a form of self motivation. Unlike external motivation that may come from rewards or praise, inner drive is a self sustaining force that pushes you forward, even when external factors are not present. Number three, overcoming obstacles. Unleashing your inner drive involves a willingness to face challenges and overcome obstacles that come your way. It is about being resilient and persistent in the face of setbacks, failures. Number four, positive mindset. A positive and optimistic mindset fuels your inner drive when you believe in your abilities and maintain a can do attitude. Can do attitude, you are more likely to preserve and achieve your goals. Number five, passion and enthusiasm. Passion is a key component of inner drive. When you are genuinely passionate about something, you will naturally put in more effort and time because it brings you joy and fulfillment. Number six, setting goals. Having well defined, achievable goals provide direction for your inner drive. Breaking down your larger aspirations into smaller, actionable steps make it easier to stay focused and motivated. Number seven, taking initiative. Unleashing your inner drive means taking the initiative and being proactive in pursuing your dreams. It is about being responsible for your own success and taking action without waiting for others to do it for you. Number 8. Continuous growth. Inner drive often involves a hunger for continuous personal growth and improvement. Embracing new challenges and learning from experiences is part of the journey. Number 9. Resisting procrastination. Overcoming procrastination is crucial for unleashing your inner drive. Recognizing and overcoming the temptation to put things off empowers you to stay on track. Number 10. Celebrating achievements. Acknowledging and celebrating your accomplishments, no matter how small, reinforces your inner drive and boosts your confidence for future endeavors. Remember that unleashing your inner drive is a journey. It is okay to have ups and downs along the way. Embrace the process, stay persistent, and be kind to yourself. With time and dedication, you can unlock the immense potential within you and achieve the extraordinary. I hope this video helps you. So, subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you.